everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 Crockpot freezer meals. I'm basically just dumping everything into a Ziploc bag, freezing it, and when I need it done, probably in the next month or two, I'm just going to take it out, thaw it, throw it in the Crockpot, and we're good to go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So we just finished making breakfast. The kitchen's a little messy, but I have these 3 freezer meals I want to do. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. The first one requires some onion. I only have frozen chopped onion, so I'm just going to cut out a little piece of this. It calls for zucchini, potatoes. It calls for tomato sauce, brown sugar, barbecue sauce, and it also calls for green bell peppers. I don't have any, so I'm just going to make do with what I have. And so I'm just going to put it all in a bag, label it, and put it in the freezer. So the first recipe is barbecue chicken with vegetables, and I'm going to put it on the crock pot for high on 4 hours or low on 8 hours when I'm ready to cook it. And once this is frozen, you just put it in the refrigerator for about a day or so to thaw it out, and then you put it in the crock pot. I've also put like full-on frozen meals in my crock pot, and they cook perfectly fine. So it's up to you how you decide to do it. I just do whatever I have time for. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this one. Okay, so for this next freezer meal, we're going to do a Crockpot Buffalo Ranch chicken. So I have my chicken. I'm doing this Red Hot Original. It's asking for the wing sauce, but I don't have it. So I'm just going to use what I have. And some butter and a ranch dressing mix, and obviously the chicken. So let's go ahead and get started with that. What happened? I'm looking, baby. What are you doing?
Mommy, look at Michael.
Oh, you want to say hi? Okay, you can say hi. If you're wondering what Michael said, he said he's playing toys and cars. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and label this. So it's the Crockpot Buffalo Ranch chicken, and I always put the date that I make it, so today is 6/2. And then to cook it, it's going to be on the crock pot low for 4 to 6 hours. So let's put everything in here now. next one is super easy. It's just Italian chicken. So I'm just going to put some chicken breast in here and then a bottle of this Italian dressing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and freeze it. Here are the 3 meals I made. So we have the barbecue chicken with vegetables, the Crockpot buffalo ranch chicken, and the Italian chicken. This is all going to go into the freezer, obviously to freeze, and when I'm ready, I'm going to thaw them out in the refrigerator for about a day, and then throw them into the Crockpot since they're all for the Crockpot. And honestly, this is 3 meals, but for us, since we're a family of 4, but one is an infant and one's a toddler plus me and my husband, this is probably like about 6 or 7 meals for us because of leftovers. And this would all be perfect probably with some rice on the side or a nice salad or some potatoes or something like that, and it would be perfect. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. With all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!